Yo people, you're watching Banter City, and in this video I want to talk to you about Haven Protocol, XHV, offshore banking on the blockchain. What comes to your mind when you think of offshore banking? Swiss bank? Exactly. So there are international banks which allow users, these are generally accessible to individuals with high net worth and also individuals, the elites basically. So these people launder their money, they hide their undisclosed income in these offshore banks, and thanks to Haven Protocol, offshore banking is democratized. You and I can use offshore banking on the Haven Protocol, and here's how it works. So the native token of XHV ecosystem is XHV, and what you can do is you can buy it from exchanges like KuCoin, Trade Agre, very few exchanges listed. So you can buy it from these exchanges and then put it into your Haven vault, and say you bought it at $5 and its price appreciated to $50. Now typically what you do is you take it from your wallet and sell it in an exchange. When it comes to XHV, you don't need an exchange, because your wallet your vault itself is an exchange. So you can keep it in your vault and convert it into XUSD, which is basically USD, which is an algorithmic stable coin, which is not backed by anything but XHV. So every time you convert your XHV to XUSD, equivalent amount of XHV in value will get burned. For example, if you own 5 XHV, each with the price of $10, and you want to convert it to XUSD, when you convert it, your 5 XHV will be burned and you'll get 50 XUSD. And how does XUSD and how does the blockchain, XHV blockchain, know the price of XHV? Because price is basically an off-chain data. So what it does is it keeps tracking the price of XHV using oracles like Chainlink and Banter protocol, and uses it for exchanging. So this process of converting, or say exchanging your XHV for XUSD, which is an algorithmic stable coin, takes up to 7 days. If you want to do it within a day, you'll have to shell out more in fees. So the current fee is just 0.2% for 7 days, which is as good as any centralized exchange would give you, which is amazing. So all these transactions are completely private, thanks to the privacy features of Monero that are used on XHV. So that's how you can enjoy the security of the blockchain and also enjoy the privacy of its technology, along with the features of offshore banking. And other than that, XHV is a proof of work cryptocurrency. You can mine it if you have a good high-end gaming computer. You can use it can be mined using CPU. So yeah, it's awesome. And then XHV also has a deflation. Well, it has an inflationary supply, but if you're using the mint and burn technique, if you're considering it, more and more XHVs will get burned as more and more people migrate to XUSD or any other X asset. X gold, X euro, and X Great Britain pound will soon be implemented. I don't know when, but currently we only have XUSD. So yes, it uses the consensus mechanism called RandomX, which is also used by Monero. And so yes, that's all I want to tell you about XHV. This is not a financial advice, so before you buy into it, I encourage you to do your own research, and keep watching Banter City. Do hit a subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys with a new coin and better explanation. Thank you for listening, and cheers.